Hey, welcome back guys to YouTube channel Dynamic Modeling of the Cities. Today in video what we are going to StreetMap. From that we are going to learn how to do OpenStreetMap online and how to extract the data in our computer. So what we are going to do is search Google on OpenStreetMap, and as we can see there is a OpenStreetMap. You have to click on and go to the this is the OpenStreetMap area. So what we need to do is first to log in, and you have to have your registration to log in, and I have already done so. I'm just logging in, and what you need to do is after actually what we can say is like the OpenStreetMap is really useful, guys. What is can do is you can zoom into any part, like where we can just park. This is the Melbourne. So what we are going to do is, as you can see on the standard map, these are the buildings is already mapped out, and there are some areas that it still are mapping out. So is as you can see, if I am doing the editing work on the OpenStreetMap, then what you have to go to edit with ID, and da 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 is, as you can see, it's going still loading. I don't know why it's taking too much time, but it's the satellite map. And in this one you can see some of the data is already put in, but still we need to, there are some people who are working really hard in this one. And yeah, as you can see, you can put the line area and all the things from here. So what we are going to do, zoom in plus edit. So if you want to edit something, you can add on some datas as a trees or anything like a line, and everything. As you can see there, we can point out the maps, like add restaurants, poster box and everything on the map. We can also use the line for highways and pedestrian maps and area. For the area, what we can do is, I'm just showing you how to add area. You can just put the area over here. It's like this is the building type, and yeah, this is the area. This is not pure rectangle, so what you can do is just put on the square. And now what we have to do is put this area and the length features. What kind of features is there? Building, this is the building, so we have to click on the buildings. But building, which kind of the buildings? Like the house, this is the house. Then we have to put the names, levels, height and address. This is, I know guys, we don't know about this area. So what we can do is, for the buildings you can go to the Google Maps, and from that we you can go and check the height of the building, and we can put the heights. And yeah, I have already checked the height, it's 2. And if you know the building name, then you can put the building name also, and the address and all the things. So then you have to do the edit features and the save already. So we have already the save the building. So what you can do is now save, you have saved the but whenever you are making changes on the making the buildings, you have to save it online on OpenStreetMap. So you have to save the children, and then it's going to when you are going to upload in OpenStreetMap, you have to have some comments on this one. So what you are going to do is put the house, and it's just upload. So what is going to do, it's upload on OpenStreetMap. So whenever people are going to open from uploaded export file from OpenStreetMap, CAD map or 3ds Max using MapRoom, they will get this detail of the buildings or the streets or whatever details you are guys putting on. So it's really useful. OpenStreetMap is really useful for the data is uploaded. And yeah, it's, and whenever I think whenever guys you are guys putting any details on this one, you but just be sure that you are putting the right details on this one, because it's really important that you putting the right details, because it's really important. And that's it for this video guys. Thank you very much, and please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you very much.